how we manage multiple corporate events across different departments. Have you ever wondered what happens when one company is running 4 different events at the same time? HR has an annual day, marketing is launching a product, sales is planning an offsite, leadership needs a town hall. Managing one event is hard, managing all of them together, that's a completely different challenge. The challenge: every department works differently. Different goals, different approvals, different timelines, different stakeholders. Without a clear system, delays, miscommunication, budget issues, and last-minute chaos become almost inevitable. At FutureArch, we focus on 3 things. First, clear communication. Everyone knows who's responsible, where approvals happens, and how updates are shared. That keeps every team aligned. Second, structured execution. Behind every seamless event is detailed planning. Vendors, logistics, production, timelines, and backup plans, all managed in sync. Third, pre-production. We test everything before the event begins. Stage flow, technical setups, audience movement, and contingency plans. Because once the event starts, there is no room for mistakes. Today, companies expect more than a well-managed events. They want experiences that engage employees, strengthen culture, and bring teams together. That's why corporate event management isn't just about organizing events. It's about managing people, processes, and expectations while making everything look effortless. And that's exactly what we do at FutureArch.